What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Dorahim. We're back again with another great amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the TP-Link Bluetooth dongle. This model is a UB400. Now, throughout this kind of model, something which is so surprising, it's all about, I thought that let me just do this video. I know a lot of you guys buy desktop machine nowadays, and the desktop machine which you buy, sometimes they have Bluetooth and sometimes they don't. Now we're gonna see throughout this kind of TP UB400 how much good is it, because I've been buying this kind of Chinese dongle for Bluetooth, and a lot of them, they just don't work. They don't give you good frequency throughout connecting you and the device. Like me here connecting throughout my keyboard and the Bluetooth, it has been really kind of a problem. But right now we're gonna just try through this kind of TP-Link Bluetooth dongle and see how much it can be performing, not only for your connecting throughout your keyboard, but for a lot of things like playing music through your speakers and giving you much better throughout frequency. And it's a Bluetooth 4.0, so we're gonna just see how good it is, or is it just a gimmick. Enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, I'm gonna just open it up and see what's packed inside, because I just wanted a Bluetooth dongle for a while here in the studio, because I've been getting a problem throughout connectivity of wires, and I'm like, man, what's going on with wires? I just want something minimal, something dope, something can give us something good, you know what I mean? And we just push it, and here we have it. This is our Bluetooth dongle for TP-Link, which it's really kind of great. I know you cannot see it in focus, but this is how it is, and this is how it looks, which it's really kind of cool. So this is how the TP-Link looks, and it's really kind of convenient. So it's that time to just dongle it on the machine and see what's happening. Let me share with you guys how you do it, because yeah, you know how to connect it. I'm not gonna teach you how to do that. You all know how to do it. So I'm gonna just connect it here throughout the machine, and here, there we go. It's connected. It detected, the machine just made that kind of sound, and you can see, let me show you guys something. You can see it got connected somewhere here. It just showed up Bluetooth devices. If you didn't see it, if you connected the first time, you can go directly through the notification here and see Bluetooth connected here, and you can just go to settings and do other kind of stuff like changes and stuff like that, as you can see here on the small panel. So I have my keyboard here with me, which is a Bluetooth keyboard, which you know this kind of keyboard. It's called let me just zoom out. It's called the Royal Kluge keyboard. If you didn't check out the review, you can just click the card here up to go and check it out. It's a really kind of nice keyboard. So this kind of keyboard offers you Bluetooth. Now I wanted to connect via Bluetooth. I didn't want to connect via the USB, and we're gonna just turn it on here. You can see there's a button, just on, and right now it will just do its own thing and hold I think function and R at the same time. It start blinking. You can see here it's just wants me to connect, so we can go to discover and Bluetooth and see what's going on. Will it connect? Let's wait. So here we see our keyboard connecting, and it just connected at the glance. Boom, voila, there we go. So we got our keyboard here connected. You can see it's working fine. So let me share with you guys something. If I just go directly through here, you can see I'm navigating. You can see I'm pressing here. It just works fine, which is really kind of good. So that's how the TP-Link kind of USB Bluetooth dongle, it's really kind of dope, and it sorts you out. I think it won't give us any kind of latency. Let us just continue using it throughout the machine here and experience what's happening. I hope, I cross my fingers, because I've been getting errors throughout connecting throughout this kind of dongle, and it was crazy. But right now we're gonna see how much the latency it's gonna be. Is it gonna be really nice, or how it's gonna be performing? So yeah, so guys, that's what's up about the video today. I know it's not such a big thing, but it's a really kind of bigger issue if you have a problem like me, like you're experiencing the Bluetooth connectivity. So I really kind of go throughout TP-Link products, and they come really in handy, and they're really kind of dope, and they won't let you down, to be honest. I understand some of the devices, and they might be faulty. Sometimes it happens, electronics, you know how it goes, but throughout TP-Link link, to be honest. They're really kind of legitimate throughout their devices. I've been using the devices, like the router here I'm using, it's a TP-Link. The Bluetooth which we have right now, it's a TP-Link. So I hope that's what's up, and I'll give you guys some review on my Instagram, how it speaks. Does it still have a problem or what's happening? So you can follow me on my Instagram account to get more info. I'll be posting there and another kind of stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.